In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn about the concept of a set and describing a set. So the definition first of all. A set is a collection of clearly defined objects, things or elements. This idea of them being clearly defined is really important. We'll discuss it more later. Let's look at a few different examples. Here we have a set of hot air balloons. We can have a set of cards. And the third is the set of days of the week. Now we're going to discuss elements. So again, the definition. Elements are the individual objects or things in a set. So if we look at our example again, we have the set of days in a week. The elements are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So each of these is one element. The next example. The set is the vowels in the alphabet. The elements are A, E, I, O, and U. In the next set, we can describe it as the even numbers between 1 and 19. The elements then are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Okay, so let's practice an example. Identify which of the following sets are well defined and give a reason for your answer. Okay, so what we want to ask ourselves is, are there definite elements in each set? So let's think of our class. The set of students in the class. Okay, so we could write the set for this. We could say, this is the set, if we call it A, it could be, for example, if there's 3 people in the class, we could say Sarah, John, Amy. Okay, so we would list out the people in our class. Part 2, the set of tall students in the class. Okay, so let's think about this. We want to identify the tall students in the class. We're not given any other information. So we can ask ourselves, how do we know if the people are tall or if they are not? This is more kind of subjective, so they are not well defined. So we cannot write the elements for this set. Part 3, the sets of months in the year. This is a well-defined set, again because we can write out the set. We can start at January, February, etc. and fill in all the months. So, if we're talking about a set being well defined, really we are asking ourselves, can we write definite elements for the set? If we cannot, like in part 2, then it is not well defined, and therefore we cannot say that it is a set. All of the sets that we've been looking at so far have had a definite number of elements. So for example, when we were looking at the days of the week, that had 7 elements: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We will now look at sets that have an infinite number of elements. So first of all, the set of natural numbers. Okay, this is a set because it does have well-defined elements, starting off with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and continuing to infinity. We could have the set of multiples of 3. Again, they are well defined. So starting 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and again continuing to infinity. We could have the set of integers. We could have the set of rational numbers. So this is any number that can be written as a fraction. Can you think of any other examples? For more information, visit www.PositiveMaths.ie. You can email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.